Hello guys, today we are talking about a noise from the Dodge Caravan, the 5th generation from 2008 or later. The noise just like a crank, a popping sound or the vibration from the underneath of your vehicle, especially when you hit a bump or just make a turn, something like that. It's just like a very, popping sound, cranking sound, boom, 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 like that. Something underneath you feel like something getting loose. You might, you might think that would be the spare tire housing getting loose, or the sway bar bushing, or the tie rod, or the ball joint, something like that. But today I found something, because when I undo something and then it same happened to me, right? Because I check everything, I cannot figure out, because all this part, they are on the vehicle, they are all on pressure. Very hard, you can feel the wear out. That's it, And then I get this happen because the noise been there for a while. And then I found this, it's a sway bar link. I already cut it, okay? Because for the easy, remove, I just cut it to hard. Let's say this is, for example, this the good one. See that? This is the good one. It's the boot still okay, and the movement I'll show later. Because right now I'm holding the camera, okay? When I get on the device, I'll show later, okay? So we assume this is the good one, and this is the bad one. Let me put them on the device so you can have some idea. Give me 1 second, okay? Okay, come back again. Okay, so this is the good one, okay? Even you can move. The ball start over here, but the boot is still okay, and then you feel tight. All this movement, it's just normal movement, It's circle around, they not go like the linear movement, which is you can feel them. They only turn and circle around, which is normal. And okay, so let me show the other one. Sorry. Okay, this one, obviously the boots already damaged, okay? And then time by time, okay, sorry, let me focus. Jesus. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, here we go. Okay, look at this. Let me open the boots. Even still the grease still a little bit there, but I can see because the dirt get inside there, and the friction or something, to get the parts wear out. You can feel the movement right now. See, if you look gently, you can see the popping, in the linear way. It's not like these, although they still turn, but they already loose, Okay, and you can see it inside. Okay, so that's the thing. Even it's very minor, that's the reason cause the noise coming out from the bottom of your vehicle. That's exactly what I, got the same thing. Okay, so I remove it and then put the new one on. It's immediately gone, the sound. Okay, so don't ignore this is a tiny thing. Probably this sway bar link, they might not cause a big accident. I don't know, I'm not sure, but the noise is kind of annoying, right? So that's the thing. You can see that, boom, 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 boom. Okay. I hope this can help somebody with the same vehicle or the similar vehicle. Okay, it's sway bar link. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody. Bye.